Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I just went on my treadmill for like 40 minutes and that was a solid run slash walk. But I like walking at a super incline, like Lauren Geraldo, shout out. I was super sweaty, so it always feels good to start the day like that. And I just had a whole thing of water. So I'm gonna make coffee now. And yeah, it's Friday, so always in a good mood on Fridays. It's like starting to get warmer out and I still want my hot coffee. So I do miss my iced coffees, but for some reason, I don't know, the whole hot situation on my throat feels nice. And I'm not even sick, but whatever. Made breakfast and it looks so good. It's just bacon, egg. My husband wanted cheese in his egg, and then a tortilla. And then I'm making some potatoes for the side. All right, taste test. I'm gonna dip it in some Taco Bell hot sauce. Pretty good.
Can I have a piece of sauce?
Actually really good.
Oh.
So we're going out to dinner. There's a restaurant week. We went to like a gelato place, but look at this. Since I gave up dairy, we went to this like vegan dessert place and it's absolutely delicious. I'm actually really impressed with this. So yummy. Okay, so I finished working out and I'm gonna make a coffee. And then I wanna get ready and go to,
I'll help you.
okay. I'm gonna get ready, go pick up some flowers for my friend, and maybe some champagne, non-alcoholic because she's preggers. Yeah, so I will catch up with you later. So what you're gonna need is extra virgin olive oil, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, almond milk, aged aspartame milk, sugar, eggs, and if you like recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, I share a ton of recipes and I have a playlist on my channel, so be sure to check it out. Thank you. I just made my coffee. And now I need to get ready real quick. Life hack is I always plug in my curling iron before I get ready so that by the time I'm ready to do my hair, it's ready for me to do my hair. Hey guys, so I just picked up flowers. It's a little bit later, but look how beautiful. Okay. So we're gonna go get some champagne. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got some flowers, look how spring they are, and then some non-alcoholic champagne. So for those of you who are pregnant or have friends that are pregnant, there is like non-alcoholic champagne and wine, and it still tastes exactly the same. It's actually amazing how they make it, but yeah, highly recommend getting that for your friends, especially if like you guys used to like just drink to like, you know, have fun and stuff. Like, I highly recommend non-alcoholic wine. So I'm gonna get the stuff ready to go to my friend's house, and then we're gonna hop in the car and go. I think I want to grab a bite to eat too because I'm starved. All right, so I just threw some chocolate protein powder, the Orgain, half a banana. I didn't have any frozen ones, so I threw in some ice cubes, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. Look at how good the olive oil cake turned out. So I'm gonna wait to put the confectioner sugar, but usually you dust it with a little confectioner sugar, and it's so cute. So I'll take a clip later, but we're driving to my friend's house, and she lives like an hour from us, so. All right, so now we're dressed and we're gonna head out to the grocery store to pick up some groceries. I'm taking my little 3-year-old with me, and yeah, we're gonna go. Okay, so I'm back from the grocery store. Quick grocery haul. I got flavor bombs. Liv loves those. They love these Chobani flips. I got some carrot chips. I think they'll be better than mini baby carrots. I got some romaine. Some corn tortillas for tacos. Some chicken wings, dill. I got these haddock 4 bread fillets because we went to some British restaurant the other day and the kids really liked it. I got some Persian cucumbers, some tofu. The kids really like these patties, these sausage patties. And they're much healthier than the, I don't remember what that brand is, but the Brown and Serve or whatever. Some red wine vinegar for some sandwiches we're gonna make, PB Fit. I got some chicken thighs, and a bunch of this frozen shrimp. This is the go-through shrimp way too often, and it was on sale. Got some ice cream, creamy mango, and dulce de leche. Dulce de leche is our fave, but mango sounded good too. And I got some deli meat for sandwiches, salami and ham. Okay, last bag. I got some bananas, a lot of bananas actually, because they're just so versatile. Some cheese, cocoa powder, avocados. What else? Got some red onion. I want to pickle onions again. Some apples. And they had these Easter cookies, so I thought it'd be fun for the kids. All right, I'm going to put this away, and then we're actually going to go to a little play date with some of our friends. So, yeah.